Hi everyone, my name is Dane Scott and welcome to Figma Essentials. Together, you and me are going to learn everything we need to know to get started as a UX designer in Figma. We'll use this UI UX design tool to create beautiful interfaces. We'll also create some engaging prototypes, and also we will look at some of the real-world expectations of you as a new UX designer. Now this course is aimed at people who are new to design, new to user experience design. Even if you're not even that entirely sure what UX design actually is, don't worry, we're gonna start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. First, we'll describe the brief and how to work with a UX persona. Then you'll learn how to create really simple wireframes. From there, we learn how to implement colors and images properly in your high fidelity mockups. You'll learn the do's and don'ts for choosing fonts for web and mobile apps. You'll learn how to create icons, buttons, and all sorts of UI components. You'll learn all the scary terms like component sets, constraints, and multi-dimensional variants. They're all very easy once you get to know them. We'll also make our lives easier by using free UI kits and plugins for Figma to speed up our workflow. We'll build a simple style guide ready for colleague or client handoff. You'll know how to make both simple and advanced micro interactions, page transitions, and animations. Before the end of this course, you'll have fully interactive prototypes ready for user testing, all the way through to collaborating with other team members and exporting the right files ready for handoff to your developer or software engineer. You've got assignments that I set throughout the course so that you can practice and develop your skills, plus you'll have something unique for your portfolio at the end. All right, it is time to upgrade yourself and go from Figma Zero to Figma Hero. So sign up and I'll see you in class. Now, the shirt. This shirt made a whole lot of sense. It makes a whole lot of sense later on when you know Figma a little bit more. But at the moment, I've realized it's come across a little bit, probably just creepy. But it's made now and we're gonna have to live with it. So sign up to the course. I'll see you in there.